Welcome to the Art of Resume. Today I'm going to be showing you how to align your resume template. Sometimes when you're working on it, things can move around. So if this happens, say something gets moved around, hit your Command Z button. This is on a Mac. If you're on a PC, hit your Control Z and it will move it automatically back into place. Next, you need to know that all of your text boxes are aligned with your margin. So if your text box gets moved out of place, all you'll need to do is go to your layout menu, which is right here, and then go to your align tool, select margin, go back up, and then select align right. Now, if you want to realign contact and summary, bring this down a little bit, select both, select align, make sure you have align selected objects selected, and then go again and align to top. Now, if you need to move, say something back in the center, again, go to align, make sure you have page selected, and then align to center. So say if you have multiple objects moved around, what you'll need to do is, let's make sure these are sort of close to where you want them to be. Select all, holding your shift button, and then go to align, go to align selected objects, go to align center, and then again align and distribute vertically. This will make everything even. You can even move this over a little bit with your arrow keys. And that is how you align your resume.